closer to you, more than I ever knew.
Hello everyone! We are in Greece! We're headed to the grocery store to pick up sunblock, and then after that we're gonna go get some breakfast, and then after that we are going to the beach! Alright, we just got finished with breakfast and now we are headed to the beach. We are taking a little bit of a break from the beach and we are headed to a coffee shop to go get coffee. Alright guys, I apologize. I haven't been filming today. I completely forgot about it, I'll be honest. But just to update everyone, we went and got coffee. I'll insert a picture right here. And now we are going to go get dinner. We are actually going to an Italian place, believe it or not. And this is my dinner fit. Okay, and I'll see you guys there. She's already got it. So the place that we were trying to go to was closed. So we're going to see what else we can find. We're at a Euro spot and we're gonna get some Euros. Do not mind my eyes. I just put some serious Aquaphor on them because they're very dry. But I just got out of the shower. We're back at the Airbnb and we are about to eat our little snacks and finish our movie from last night. Okay, so these are the snacks we got.
This is... It's like you're a serial killer. I feel like such a... Yeah, okay, so...
Okay, so this is the first, well, actually these are Tessa's snacks.
Yeah.
So this one is barbecue poppers. And then if you look here, it looks like the Lay's logo, but it says tasty. I thought that was interesting. And then what's that one?
Butter.
And then this. Tessa thought this would be good. Let me know if you think this looks good.
Or what it is.
Yeah. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.
Closer to you, more than I